Okay guys, we're going to Disney World. We're going to Disney World. I'm just taping. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jade, look at me. Look at me. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Nikki, look at me. You excited? Look out the window.
My ears are not hurting.
Sean, just look out the window.
Why?
Are you okay? Oh, now we're in the air. Now we're in the air.
Oh, my God. Look how high.
Sean, what do you see?
Oh my God.
What do you see, Sean?
I see tiny roads.
What did you say, Jade?
I see tiny roads.
Yeah. Sean, turn around and tell me what you see. Sean.
Looks like a skydiving. And I see nuggets. And I see peas. And I see ants. I feel like I'm skydiving. I feel like I'm skydiving.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like that.
We're in the clouds now.
This is so nuts. Yes. And floating in the air.
Look, we're above the clouds.
What?
We're above the clouds.
I thought you chicken.
Okay, say bye.
What?
Say bye. Jade, say hi to your first pee-pee in an airplane. Say hi to your first pee-pee in an airplane.
Hi, first pee-pee in the airplane. Why did you say pee-pee?
Because you're going pee-pee. Right here. How are your ears? Better?
Yes.
Good. Is that your fake dog?
Yes.
Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Sean, how's your first pee in the airplane? Look at me. How's your first pee-pee in an airplane?
You
think it's cool out there?
What?
You think it's cool out there?
Yeah.
What do you see?
Thank you.
Doodle.
What? Don't talk like a baby.
Doodle.
You see Doodle? Oh, we're going in the clouds.